Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Root to Mathematics. In this video, going to solve a to the power 2025 equals to a to the power 2024. Okay. So here we need to find the value of a. Now, just by looking this equation, I guess you got one solution of a. Let's just find two more solutions of a. So without any delay, let's dive into the solution. Okay, so what we have given a to the power 2025 equals to a to the power 2023. Okay, now in the first step, I'll split this a to the power 2025 as a to the power 2023 plus 2 equals to a to the power 2023. Okay, now here I am going to apply an exponential rule, that is a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. Okay, so by using this law I can write a to the power 2023 multiplied with a to the power 2. At the same time, I will take this a to the power 2023 to the left hand side. So this will become minus a to the power 2023 equals to 0. Okay, this implies this. Now here we have a to the power 2023 and here we have a to the power 2023. So I'll take a to the power 2023 common. Now inside the bracket we are left with a square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now here I am going to apply an algebraical identity, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied with a minus b. Okay, so assuming a as a and b as 1, we can write a to the power 2023 multiplied with a plus 1 multiplied with a minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now we'll simply equate this a to the power 2023 with 0, a plus 1 with 0 and a minus 1 with 0. So here we can write a to the power 2023 equals to 0, a plus 1 equals to 0 and a minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now here we need to eliminate this 2023. So I'll take a to the power 2023 to the power 1 by 2023 power both side. So 0 to the power 1 by 2023. So by applying the exponential rule, these two get multiplied and cancel out. So here we are getting a equals to 0 to the power anything is 0, as we know that. So here we are getting a equals to 0. Now here I'll simply take this plus 1 to the other side. So here we are getting a minus 1 and here we are getting a equals to 1. So these three are the possible solution of a. I hope you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.